Good morning. All right. Don't really have anything to do. But let me show you what I've been doing. Well, what I've been playing with. All right. Yeah, let me show you what Wow, it's been a while since I opened this one, couple of days. So let's I'm going to show you what I'm about to do. Let's create an application, a color. So I'm going to do a test application here. I'm going to call it application color. Yeah, well, let's change that guy to app color. Oops, my finger. It doesn't like, if I hit like different characters. I think that's good enough. I'll just leave that database one. That's okay. Let's continue. So we're not interested in that. But if you notice, let me show you my application that I've been working on. This one is Car Care Professional. So this is this guy right here. Oh, it's been almost 2 weeks I've been at it. But this guy right here, alright, see if I remember my hash password here. So yeah, so if you notice, the color is all uniform. The color is all uniform. So if I say edit, you see how they are uniform. All right, I want to do something. I want to have another section, maybe call it color settings right here on this right side, and then we can define the color of each form. That's what I want to do. But the first thing that I need to do is make sure that I can apply the form to these guys. All right, so but yeah, this is the let's remove that guy. Add note, doesn't want it, does not want it. So that's a log, that's an audit. So anyways, let me close that out. Let's close that guy out as well. Let's go back to our application here. This is what I want to do. Let me show you. Before we do that, I got to get the color. And I think I'm going to get it from that guy, from that car care thing right there. All right, so let's grab the color. Now if you guys want to see how I did the color here, it's not much different. All right, so I'm going to grab this guy. This is what I started with, so I'm going to take that out. All right, I'm going to take that out and start it new. So this is what I was wanting to do, is to be able to change the form color. You see how we got detail right here? So I'm going to add this. How about form header? So this form header's got footer as well. So I'm going to do that. And then what I'm going to do here, I am going to auto center this guy, no record set, no navigation. And what else do I need to get it out? I want to make this guy a pop-up module. All right, I'm going to save that as test. All right, so this is where basically if you leave it like that, the form looks like that. Oh, I got it. Let's get the scroll bar out. Let's get the scroll bar out. Scroll bar right here. Neither. So basically, if you open the form, that's what it's going to look like. But we can color this thing. We can color this thing. All right. So let's do that. I'm going to try to move fast. That way, I'm not going to bore you with this thing. Shouldn't take that much to get this guy right. All right. So what I want to do here, let's add another module called, how about application color init. Yep, see that? Color, application color init. And in here, we can say sub set form color. You see that? Set form color. And then what we want to do is pass in the form name, which is by ref form as form, and then we can apply this to different section of the form. So we can say by be applied to header, by be apply to footer. Oh, you know what? Let's put that as a boolean in there. I forgot the other one. I'll go back to it. B by val B apply to detail. Detail is as boolean. Let me add the boolean here. It's a good habit. All right. So now we can say if B apply to header, then we can say as form header back color equals color. You see, that's the reason why I need color there. How about floor white? All right. So now if B apply to footer, then we can say form form footer back color equals cyan. Wow. So that should yeah, let's see if that works. Something's not right. If apply to detail, then we're gonna set then form detail back color. Let's make this light. How about ghost white? How about ghost white? Color first. Ghost white. There you go. Yeah, I'm not sure why that guy doesn't. That should be form header. What else does it have in here? Let me see if I say me form header back color. I'm gonna test this out. Does that work? Let's try that. Yeah, something's not right there. That's why I noticed that. Is it a header? That should be right. That should be right. Form header. Did I misspell? That should be right. What's going on there? What is going on there? That should be form header. It doesn't like that. The detail there. Detail works. See there? Form header. That's what it's supposed to be. Let's take a look at this guy. Oh, say page header. Let's try that again. Form header. There. Let's take that page out. Let's take that page out. Okay, my bad. No wonder I couldn't find the form header. No wonder I couldn't find the form header. Anyways, let's get back. Anyway, so we know that works now. Form header. Yeah, just be careful when you got a page header or form header. Now, if it's a page header, you just type in page header. All right. So my bad there. I'm gonna expand this guy up a little bit big. All right. That way we know what it is. So all we have to do here, we can say call application color unique. Yeah, misspell. Oh, I misspelled again. Color unique. Dot set me true. So all three sections. All right. So now all you have to do is just open this booger up. Did I miss something there? Oh, we got one too many there. There, that looks good now. Let's continue. Look at that. Look at that. So you can color this this way, and this could apply to anything. Let's take that header out to like a light blue. Light blue. What else do we have? You've got ghost white in the middle. Yeah, ghost white in the middle and cyan in the bottom. How about light peach? Light peach. Alright. So that's another way that you could, you see that? You could color your stuff. And you can do this to your text box, like I've done with my car care application. You can apply this to the text box, to the label. So yeah, so you can do that. But this is one way to and then you can have new form. You can say, here's another form, customer, for instance. Then you just go into the customer. All right. And then have whatever in here. How about let's add let's add form design. Let's add this guy right here, label. Yeah, and we call customer management. All right, and then in there you can type label customer management. Let's make that text darker. send data booger, align, bold, size. Now you can do all this in behind the scene, all right? But what I'm gonna show you is that if you open this booger up, look at that, all right? You get that. Now you can also apply this guy to change his background color of the label if you want to. All right, let me show you how you would do that. So yeah, you can add another function here and say set label back color. Oops, back color. You can, let's see, label as control, like so, and then you say C label back color, similar to what you would do. All right, to color. How about back color to yeah, to blue. Do we have, yeah, let's make it dark blue. How about dark blue? And now I'm also going to set full color, white. All right, and there I can say call application color init set label color, and then just pass in. Oh, you know what? I gotta hold your horses. I gotta make sure that I give this guy a label name. You gotta give a label name right there. I'm gonna copy that and then put like so, and that should just do it. All right. So now if I close that guy out, look at that. So you can do this automatically, and you change that throughout your form. All you have to do is just you know, have this module or whatever name you want to, and set whatever you want to set right there. And on form load, you can say, okay, go set me this guy, that guy, and you can do that. Now you can have like a text box, edit, text box lock, and all that. So that's what I've done in the callcast. I thought I might share that with you, you know. So, but that's how you set up your color, form color, without having to, you know, without having to go through each one of these guys. You know, oh, section I want color here, section I want color there. You don't want to do that. You want to automatically do things for you. All right, just like I did here, just like I show here, and now like so. Now in the next video, when I have time, when I feel like I want to do, I'm going to show you how to save this information in the database, and that anytime you open up your application, it's going to go into the database and look for what you have set. Then you don't have to come into the code behind, right, to fix things. You can fix it on the form. Say, hey, select back color, full color, whatever in here on the form, and then that will be saved onto the database or in the database. And then when you open up each form, when you open up, it's going to go into that database, look for what you've done, what you've set. So that would be automation. All right, color the form automatically or through the form settings. All right, but for now, that's what I want to show you. It's just nice and easy. Doesn't, you know, obviously you can, you know, like I said, obviously you can just do me form header whatever there, if it has a header. All right. And then you can say back color, the same thing. All right. Except what we done here, we automated. We want to initialize this, and then we just apply to whatever. And then all you have to do is just make a call. Just make a call. See how I make a call. Let's say, okay, color me on header, footer, and detail. Nice and simple stuff. All right. Sometimes we overthink, like I do a lot of time. But that's how you do it. You see, I can color that guy too. See that label? Customer management. Anyways, happy programming. That's all for now.